Well, here we go. We're going to catch up. It's October 21st. We're going to take a look at this place. Holy smokes, look at how nice that door is. And this whole entry area is so cool. Oh, we got to see. Oh, we got these cabinets. I haven't even seen those yet. Those are awesome. They're great. Up in Lori's door, it says laundry door on here, but that's all covered up. This, we got the Coford ceiling. And it's looking really nice. Oh, Lori got her new window in. The crank out panels there. And oh, we're getting some paint up. Oh no. This is a look at the molding up there. We got this steel here. Oh, this is really coming along. This is the entryway. Got the man here doing the work. Good morning. How you doing? Oh, really good? Oh, this looks nice. It's amazing. How you doing, William? It's great. Really awesome. Look at the hallway. There's going to be a powder room there. And then we forgot to do this part. This is the where we raised the ceiling here. Close that in. And that needs to be finished over there, huh? Wow. Unbelievable. There's the morning. Computer room. Guest room. And Mitchell's room. And let's come through here. This is Josh's room. Okay. Good morning. How you doing? We got this all. Doing some painting, huh? Morning. And here's the master bathroom. Good morning. We're working away in here. And there's the man who made it happen. The contractor. They're going to floor on this. So he loves the camera.